So guys, Realme X and Realme X Pro will be launched very soon in India, most probably in the second quarter, and they will give a tough competition to Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro. But today in this video we will check out the specs of Realme X Pro to know what it packs, and we have some interesting leaks, so stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get started. First, let's start with the design. It has the same dual tone glossy finish design with polycarbonate back, and here you will get a triple camera setup. And on the front, the phone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display which appears quite massive thanks to the lack of bezels and a pop-up selfie camera mechanism, which makes this device have a higher screen to body ratio. Along with that, a support for Gorilla Glass 5 or either a 6. This phone has got the in-display fingerprint sensor which will be very fast and accurate. Now let's take a look at the processor. Here you will get Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 processor, and not just that, by the looks of it, this phone will come equipped with 5G. As per this tweet by Madhav Sheth, they will launch a 5G device and it will most probably be the Realme X Pro. Hey guys, one important thing, please subscribe, it means a lot to me. Moving on, this device will get Android Pie with ColorOS 6 out of the box, and you will get two variants, 6 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB. Now let's take a deeper look at its cameras. On the rear side, it will feature a triple camera setup with the main sensor being 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, along with that a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 13 megapixel telephoto lens, and on the front it will have a 16 megapixel sensor for selfie. The battery is 4065 mAh battery, although there is still some doubt surrounding that. Along with that, VOOC 3.0 quick charging and Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now the pricing, it's expected to start at 23,500 Indian rupees after conversion. So if this phone comes in the range of 23,000 to 24,000 in India with 5G support, then this might be a better phone than Redmi K20 Pro, as this is giving more or less the same things which Redmi K20 Pro is providing with a lesser price, like the pop-up selfie camera, AMOLED display, in-screen fingerprint scanner, fast charging, Snapdragon 855 processor. So overall it is a well thought out package. So this was it guys, some information on Realme X Pro. Hope you liked it. If so, then subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.